The hidden conversation: how plants respond to touch. In the realm of botany, we often regard plants as passive organisms, rooted in one place, silently soaking up sunlight and water. However, recent studies have begun to unravel a fascinating layer of complexity in the plant kingdom: the remarkable ways in which plants react to touch, and how this phenomenon is not merely a simple biological response, but a form of communication that can influence their health and interactions with the environment. At the cellular level, plants possess a sophisticated system to sense mechanical stimuli. This ability, known as thigmotropism, allows them to respond to touch by bending, growing, or even altering their biochemical processes. One classic example is the Mimosa pudica, or the sensitive plant. When touched, this plant reacts dramatically by folding its leaves quickly, a protective response against herbivores. This swift movement is not merely a reflex. It is a complex interplay of turgor pressure and specialized cells that respond to mechanical stress. But the sensitivity to touch goes beyond mere defense mechanisms. Research has shown that plants can remember touch stimuli, altering their growth patterns or chemical makeup in response. This adaptive behavior can maximize their chances of survival and reproduction in a complex world. Visualizing the response. Recent advancements in imaging technologies have allowed scientists to visualize the internal responses of plants to touch. Researchers have discovered that the application of a gentle force can trigger electrical signals that ripple through the plant's network, akin to a nervous system. Utilizing techniques like electrophysiology and imaging, scientists have observed patterns of movement and growth in plants after they experience touch, revealing how physical interaction can be converted into biochemical signals. This response can be seen in various plant species, where prolonged or repetitive touch may alter growth trajectories or even affect flowering. In a sense, each touch communicates stress to the plant, prompting it to adapt its growth strategy, whether that means allocating more resources to toughening up its stems or concentrating on reproduction. Benefits to plants and humans. Understanding how plants react to touch not only deepens our appreciation of the natural world, but also has actionable implications for agriculture and horticulture. For instance, plants subjected to regular, gentle touching, akin to the action of wind or the presence of neighboring flora, often develop thicker stems and more robust root systems. This phenomenon suggests that incorporating forms of physical interaction in farming practices could enhance crop resilience, leading to better yields and healthier plants. Moreover, some studies have suggested that plant tending practices that include touch could promote a better bond between humans and plants, leading to increased mental well-being. Gardening itself is known to relieve stress, and the act of touching and nurturing plants can provide therapeutic benefits, fostering a sense of connection with nature. While understanding the beneficial aspects of plant touch, it is crucial to approach this subject with nuance. Not all touch is beneficial. For example, excessive handling or rough treatment can lead to stress responses that may hinder a plant's growth or health. The balance is delicate, and the impact of touch can vary significantly with different species and environmental conditions. As science continues to peel back the layers of the plant kingdom, we are learning just how dynamic these seemingly simple organisms can be. The ability of plants to respond to touch transforms our understanding of their biology, emphasizing the need for a respectful and mindful approach to cultivation and interaction. In our quest to work harmoniously with the natural world, acknowledging the intricate conversations happening beneath the surface may empower us to cultivate not only our gardens, but also deeper connections to the vibrant life forms that surround us. In a world that often overlooks the silent, leafy companions that share our space, it's time we pay attention to their whispers and touch.